more emails are generated today that have a real consequence. That's why RMail's all-in-one email service comes with email tracking for better visibility, so you can learn what happens after you click send. No matter what platform you currently use to send your emails, tracking outgoing emails is absolutely vital to the success of businesses today. RMail helps avid emailers become more productive and gives salespeople and all users valuable information to act on, winning over more opportunities and closing deals quicker. Sending an email with RMail is extremely easy and requires nothing on the receiver's end. You compose a message like any other, add any attachments, press the Send Registered button, make your tracking preference selection, and then send. That's it. You receive back a registered receipt email that includes verifiable proof of content, the exact time it was delivered, and the time it was opened. So eliminate all the prohibitive guesswork and gain the edge you need to succeed. Empower your email with RMail.